Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Step Bros React. So today we got GIDLE Super Lady special performance video. So this was requested during our live stream a week ago. I think this is gonna be our first time reacting to GIDLE. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Is that how you say it, Irish?
I think it is G, and then it's just the idle.
Yeah, and then we also saw the killing voice, so we'll do that next too. So yeah, let's see what they're all about. I don't know if you got the right video, but this is the one with the most views, so let's check it out, man. Super Lady special performance.
Let's see what they
Let's go. Yo. So there's 5 of them?
Yeah. Looks like an intro to like an action movie or something.
Hey! Bro, that beat goes hard.
Hey.
I'm a top super lady. Oh, I never lose, yeah. Cause got a superpower. I'm a top super lady. Oh, I never die. 바지 모두 follow. Boy, 그렇게 피게 어서 우리 love. 따윈하게 봐. 이렇게 what. 저기 따윈 없어.
Let me pause it. Why is this speeding so fast, bro? Hold on. Can we put should I put the caption?
If there is captions, yeah.
I don't know. It might be wrong, guys,
Yeah.
but man, let me rewind it back, bro. That thing goes so hard, like the beginning. Let me go back to the beginning.
And then like the little car start up, and then
yeah. Hey guys, let me know if there's an actual music video for this, but we just click on this video because it had the most views. There's also another one, but yeah. Anyways, let's go back to here.
I'm a top super lady. Oh, I never lose, yeah. Cause got a superpower. I'm a top super lady. Oh, I never die. 바지 모두 follow. Boy, 그렇게 피게 어서 우리 love. 따윈하게 봐. 이렇게 what. 저기 따윈 없어. 날 만든다면 say it like it. 남자들을 보는 가시. 억소리는 그 사치. 용을 조금은 흔들릴 틈없이 ready to shoot. 입술이 다 번져도 그 어떤 눈보다 멋지게 누구보다 멋지게 웃어 보이지 더 멋지게 또 가다해 That's my name I never bow away Lady Call me super lady Follow ladies I want ladies Super ladies
Hey, they're like flexing.
Mama say 너 언젠가 세상을 망칠 그 겁에 질린 눈빛도 참 못됐으니까 여기 눈빛은 패왕색 백이 여왕의 자질도 베디 백이다 기절한 각성이 겁먹은데
Pause. Let me rewind.
Damn.
Let me rewind. I want to see that again, bro. I want to see it again. Yo, this is dope.
There's one part.
I like the whole stage.
Oh
thing.
yeah, it's like a big
like with the spotlights, like the lights. It's pretty dope.
Yeah,
it's pretty dope.
There was one part of that. It reminded me as if like I was watching John Wick or something. Like the club music, the way it goes.
Yeah. I get what you're talking about. Yeah, because in the John Wick movie, like when they had like the whole like shooting scene and all that stuff in like the club or whatever he was in, they had that. Yeah, I see.
Yep.
But
That's what it felt like. I was like, hey.
hey, yo, but these girls came in spitting, bro. Like, I don't know what they're saying, but it's pretty dope.
Yeah. They were
Super
going hard.
ladies. I guess they're super ladies, man. Let's go back. I want to see that drop again.
Lady, lady, call me super lady, lady, lady. Follow ladies, I want ladies, super ladies.
Hey.
하나, 둘, 셋. Mama say 너 언젠가 세상을 망칠 악. 그 컵에 질린 눈빛도 참 못됐으니까. 안개는 빛은 패왕색 백이 여왕의 자질 더 베디 백인 백이다 기절한 각성이 겁먹은 데 그래 빼는 게 없거든 do you know
I like their outfit.
그 어떤 놈보다 멋지게
Goes with the
누구보다
stage.
멋지게 뛰어들 테지 더 뜨겁게 독하다 해 That's my name I never bow my way Yeah Lady Lady Call me super lady
I love this
Lady
part.
Hey.
Lady Follow ladies Our ladies Super ladies Let go and fearless we came to take round Back it up Back it up
Yo, that's dope.
Back it up
Yo, this would go insanely hard.
Everybody say 누가 우리 부른다면 yes it's super fast 누가 우리 막는다면 yes it's super match 누가 봐도 우리 yes stronger than Superman Yes I got superpower Yes I'm a
Super lady.
Every epic footlong deserves a perfect size.
No, Subway. Sorry.
Fucking
But
Subway.
man. Bro. Yeah, that was dope. That was dope. Let me drop a like here. Let me drop a like. This feels like an award show level performance. I agree with that. I agree.
Yeah, that was really,
That stage
really
was
good.
dope, man. Especially when those you know the flames in the front,
Yeah.
bro.
Like imagine
Yeah, that's our
like a imagine actually witnessing that at like a concert or something.
yeah, in real time.
Yeah.
I don't know if I was be able to handle that, but
that would be insane. That would
but that was their first time reacting to GIDLE. I think so, right? I don't remember reacting to them. So guys, let us know their names in the comments. And yeah, that was dope, man. That was dope. That was kind of hot. That was hot.
it was.
Their outfit though, their outfit was fire. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's just that was hot.
It was insane. It was insane.
Let
club-ass
me
music.
just let's read some of their the comments here. Maybe we'll get to see their names. So there's one name here.
And there's another one at the bottom.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, yeah,
down
that's the
here.
same one. Yeah.
This should be. It felt like a Super Bowl performance. Like I love the whole stage and like the whole light.
Yeah, the entire thing.
They
was
had the lights
massive.
and then
yeah,
the flames at the the middle or like the ending.
and
Yeah,
all the
that shit was
lasers
hot,
and
bro.
stuff.
Yeah, that shit was hot. But that was our first time reacting to GIDLE. So we'll try to do the killing voice next. Let us know their names, guys, in the comments, and then let us know if you want us to do the killing voice, so we can get to know them more. They look like a fun group too. So yeah, that was dope. But anyways, we're on to the next reaction video. So we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, let us know in the comments. Peace out.
Peace.